Hello everyone, Only Tech Boy is here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a CMOS battery on a desktop PC. The first thing to do is to shut down the PC. As you can see, I already shut off the PC. The next step is to disconnect everything, includes the power cord. I'll be disconnecting my headset, my HDMI cable, aka my HDMI adapter, finally my USB hub which I connect all my peripheral to, and finally the power cord. Most important step. Once you finish disconnecting every single power cord and peripherals, you can move on to the next step, which is to open the PC side panel. The next step is to open the PC side panel. Make sure the motherboard is at the left, not at the right. After making sure that motherboard is at the left, open the PC side panel. Unscrew the side panel. Case screw. Then slide open the side panel. You should see the motherboard. Then the next step is to locate the CMOS battery. The next step is to locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard of the PC. This is the CMOS battery. The CMOS battery is a coin cell battery. Once you manage to locate the CMOS battery, remove the CMOS battery. For me, I have to press down this tab and the battery should be released. This is the CMOS battery. It is a CR2032 for my motherboard. Check what battery it uses and purchase a new battery. After you purchase the new battery, as I already did, this is the new battery I'm going to use. Remove the battery from the packaging. Wait, this is a bit scuffed. Try to unbox this battery over there. Install the battery onto the motherboard. First, you just insert the battery this way. Insert the battery this way, then press down the battery and it snaps into place. Once done, you can now close up the side panel. The next step is to close the side panel back up. To do this, put the side panel back on the case, slide it in, then screw the side panel back. Once you are done installing the side panel back, you can now connect everything back together and test the PC. Now let's test the PC. I already connect everything back up, so let's turn on. You should be getting the BIOS reset screen, so please be patient. And boom, you get this BIOS has been reset screen. Depending on your motherboard and the BIOS, you might get the options select low optimized default then boot, or save optimized defaults. Press enter to save, or any other key depending on your BIOS. Let the PC boot up the Windows. To test whether the PC CMOS battery replacement is done correctly, you can turn off the PC or shut the PC down using the power button, press and hold. After the PC shut down, disconnect the PC power. I'll just let it shut down, and boom, the PC is shutting down. Once the PC shut down, disconnect the power. I'll be showing you the power disconnect process. I'll be disconnecting the PC power. I'll be doing this off camera though, because I have no space to walk. Disconnect the power. After disconnecting the power, wait for at least a few seconds. Then reconnect the power. I'll be reconnecting the power off camera because there's no space, unfortunately. After reconnecting the power, turn on the PC. You shouldn't get any BIOS reset warnings. Then, done. You have done installing a new CMOS battery on your desktop PC. I really hope you enjoy my tutorial video. Please do like, share, and comment on my video, subscribe to my channel,